this is part 2, chapter 2, long and short, NCERT class 4. In this video, we will discuss how far apart are the dots at page number 13 and the shorter line at page number 14. So let us start part 2. How far apart are the dots? So you can see there are several dots O, D, B, I, C, K, F, M, NH, AJ, GL, EH. These are the dots which are nearby. And you can see K, G, these are slightly far. O, H, these are slightly far. So some dots are near, some dots are far. So how can we know which dots are at the farthest and which is nearest? So for the nearest, we can guess this O and D, C and K, FM, these out of these pairs, some will be nearest. So we can see this 2 point seems to be nearest. So we can measure these by scales and you will find distance between O and D is equal to 1 centimeter. When you will measure distance between this, it will be 1 centimeter. So these are nearest point. Similarly, when you will measure distance between A and B, it will come 3 centimeter. You will measure distance between B and C, it will come 5 centimeter. Okay, when you will come C and G, C and G, it will become 8 centimeter. Similarly, you can measure distance between 2 points. So let us see the questions. Guess the distance between any two dots. Okay, how many centimeter it is? Now measure it. So you first just guess what is distance between B and I, then measure by scale and see how accurate you was. And you can tell me distance between E and N in comment box. Which two dots do you think are farthest? So which two dots are farthest? You can measure distance between two dots and you will find this O M. This will be 10 centimeter. So this will be farthest. 2 points will be O, M, and distance between them 10 centimeter. How will you check your answer? You will just measure the points which seems to be farther, like G and K, O and M, O and F, so that you can understand which are the farthest. Now, which two dots are nearest? O and D. Nearest are O and D. Okay. Now, the shorter line. Akbar was a famous king. He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor, look at the picture, and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line short. Now, can you be as smart Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? So you can see one day Akbar said to Birbal, here is a line, make it shorter without erasing it. So Akbar has made this line and asked Birbal to make uh, this line smaller without erasing it. So is it possible to make this line smaller without erasing it? Yes. What the Birbal did? He made another line here which is bigger. So now itself this line becomes smaller. So in this way he made Akbar's line smaller. So can you make Birbal line smaller without erasing it? Yes, we can make. We can draw a bigger line, your line or my line. Okay. So now this is smallest, this is small, this is largest. Okay. So in this way we can uh, make any line smaller without erasing that. Okay. So now, how tall have you grown? Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Yes, we generally measure our height in every class. Yes, we measured. So it was roughly 122 centimeter. If you remember, you can put your answer. Otherwise, at third class, you will be roughly 122 centimeter. Now, do you think you have grown taller? When you come from third class to fourth class, you must be some grown up. Your height must be increased. So, yes, we have grown up, and now our height is 128 centimeter. You can measure your height, it will be nearly this. So, how much centimeter? How much centimeter you have grown up? Okay, so in fourth class, you are 128 centimeter. In third class, you were 122 centimeter. So, we will subtract 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So, it is 6 centimeter. So, you have grown up 6 centimeter. Okay, so your answer can be changed. You put your height if you know here, you put your height if you know here, then you can subtract and get your how much you have grown up in 1 year. Have your friend also grown up taller? Yes, everyone grown up taller in the childhood. Okay, now how tall have you grown? Jumpa once read a list of the tallest person in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jumpa's height. How tall is Jumpa grown up? Okay. So one thing you can notice, what is this word? Generally we say it read, but second form is read. Read, read, read. So what will we read here? Jumpa once read or Jumpa once read? Yes, Jumpa once read because this is in past tense. So when it is in past tense, we will read it as read. Okay. When this is in present tense, we will read it like read. Spelling will be same. Now that is just double Jumpa's height. So the longest person is 272 centimeter height, and Jumpa is half of this. So what will be the height of Jumpa? We will divide 272 by 2 to make it half. Okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 2, 0. We took 7 down. Now 2 3 ja 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 2 down. 2 6 ja 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So 136. So height of the Zumpa is 136 centimeter. Okay. Find out and fill the table below. So this you have to do at your home. You call your friends, ask, write here his name, his or her name. Now ask her height, his height in the class 3. Now ask his height in class 4. Then what is the difference? Okay. So generally you was 122 centimeter, and you grown up in fourth class to 128 centimeter. So what is the difference? 6 centimeter. So this is your height. In this way you can write your friends and brother or sister also. Okay, so right here your friend, brother, sister, and tell me who has grown up more. Means the difference of two heights is more. Write his name in comment box. Now the long and short of your family. So you just see the height of everyone in your family and write the tallest in your family. It may be your father, it may be your grandfather, or it may be your grandmother or anyone else. So write his name and height. What is his height in centimeter? Okay. Now who is smallest in your home? So measure height of smallest person. He may be your younger brother, younger sister, or some small kid. Okay. What is the difference between their height? So write his height in also in centimeter. Okay. Now this minus this will be answer of this portion in centimeter. Okay. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.